Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Bedhead A Wave We Go. And what this is it's a curling iron and it has 4 different settings on it. And it makes your hair, it can give you like beach waves, it can give you a little bit deeper curl, and then it gets all the way to like a smaller curl at the last level. And I bought mine from this one that I have. I bought it from Amazon and I bought it for $40. They sell it at Ulta as well and a few other places. So let me kind of just show you guys the tool, and then I'm just gonna get straight into curling my hair so you guys can see how it works. So if you look at it here, it's got the different temperatures, and then how you're gonna turn it on is inside here, and I don't know how well you guys can see it, but inside here it has the on off button here on the top, and then over here it has the buttons for the heat setting, so it's like hotter and then lower. Okay, now, and up here on the top is the settings. So if you look at it like this, right now I have it on setting 1, okay? You see that middle part? It's a low. I'm gonna put it to setting 2 and it's gonna go up. You see it goes up, and then setting 3, and then setting 4. And when you do that, if you see it, it's a bigger wave. So setting 3, it's smaller. Setting 2, and then setting 1 is really tight. So it's gonna be those real tight waves, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in now, and then we're gonna just get started and you guys can see me curl my hair. So I didn't wanna plug it in when I was showing it to you guys because it was gonna be too hot. So I got it plugged in. Okay, I got it on. So when you turn it on, it automatically goes to 350. Then you can adjust it if you want it hotter. I played around with it one time already, and I noticed that for me, the hotter setting worked better when I was curling my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it all the way up to 400. So let it get hot, and then what I'm gonna do while that's getting hot, and then what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna do the tighter curl so you guys can see, and then I'll just let that get hot. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it bottom section and then top section. And it says, when I was reading the manual, to start at the root. So I'm gonna start, just be very careful, because obviously you do not want to burn yourself. All right, so I'm completely finished. This is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead now and kind of put my hands through it and hope and pray. It looks crazy. And hope and pray that it looks good. I'm gonna dump my head upside down to see if that helps. I'm not gonna brush it because I'm afraid the curls might go away and I don't want them to go away. But right now it's looking absolutely crazy. I think once you play with it a little bit, I think it'll be okay. So yeah, I think it looks good. I mean, well, I look crazy right now, but I think that it does what it says it's gonna do as far as curling the hair. You just really have to play with it and get it to where you want it. I'm gonna play with it off camera because I feel like looking through this little mirror that I have here, it's just hard. I'm gonna go in my bathroom and see if I can straighten it up a little bit, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. All right guys, so I got it fixed up a little bit. It doesn't look perfect, but what I did is I just kind of teased the top of it a little bit with my brush, put a little, kind of like scrunched it up, put a little hairspray on the bottom, on the top here, just to kind of like spread it out and give it some more volume. That's kind of the best I could do. But yeah, I think it looks really good, and wow, I mean, like, so many curls it gave my hair. I can't even believe this. It did take a little while to curl the whole thing, so don't think like, I mean, obviously it's gonna take a lot less time because it's got the 3 barrels than if you did like a regular just 1 barrel curling iron. So it definitely does it faster than that. And it does a good job, because I wasn't sure with this if it was going to look weird or if it was going to look like you could tell I used a 3 barrel. It just looks like, for me, it looks like, oh, she could just have curly hair. It doesn't look like I necessarily put anything on it. Now, if maybe I would have used, because my normal hair texture is a little like, it's thin right now, and I don't know if it could be because I have highlights in it or whatever reason, but like if I just let my hair air dry, it's kind of wavy. So maybe if I put like some curly hair products in my hair and then did this, I don't know if that would work out better, maybe not, because you're actually curling it. I don't know, I'm just trying to think of something, but the hairspray definitely helped to kind of give it a little bit of shape. But yeah, great product. That's what I got it for, because I just wanted some like beach waves, add a little style to my hair, something different. And I know right now it looks weird. I'll have to try it another day doing the beach waves. But I wanted some different styles because I always wear my hair straight, and I just really needed to change it up. So this was just like my first purchase towards a new, different hairstyle. So anyways, yeah, this sums up the video, guys. Let me show you the back, because I'm over here just talking and not even really showing you the hair. So that is the back of it. And maybe I can lift it up to see, let you guys like really see it. And then the side, of course. So yeah, so this is it, guys. If you like this video, click that like button below. It really helps me out. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button below as well. All right, guys. I will see everyone in my next video. Bye.